Oh, I see. Oh, Okay, welcome to the Caribou Data Science channel. The title tonight is a reinstall fest. That's right, we're going to reinstall. So wait, what do you mean reinstall? Okay, well, what I mean is this. I went out and had a new hard drive, not actually, what SSD drive, whatever it is, storage space, from about 3/4 gigabytes, which is default install for this, up to 2 terabytes. So went from 3/4 of a terabyte up to 2 terabytes, or a terabyte 0.75. Okay, storage space. Let me show you something here. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Here's a document. Look at this. Look at this document directory. Holy smoke! Because what it does, you come over here, and this is basically your home directory's backup, including every folder and some folder, everything in it. Because you look over here, you see GitHub, right? New York Taxi data, size, and there's the DuckDB. So because they restored everything inside of my user direct, my David user directory, all my old files. Of course, none of the software is. That's okay. So let's get the show started first of all by installing that Office. And you can see I've already got new Bing installed up here. All right. Yeah, I guess so. So we're going to start by installing Microsoft Office, because that's a fairly easy one. Okay, that's a fairly easy one. Download Office, choose a version. 64 bits. Install. We're going to come back towards the end. We'll go back and we're going to install SQL Server 2019. Okay, SQL Server 2019, SQL Server Management Studio, and we're going to install the Microsoft Access Engine 2016, which will allow us to import Excel files directly into SQL Server. Right now, my number one tip for you folks tonight is, if you're going through this for whatever reason. Well, if bloatware counts as harming your system, then Office definitely is going to harm the system. The single most important install fest advice for you tonight is, and this is I'm as serious as a heart attack, don't change the defaults. Install only using the defaults, because the reason they're called defaults is because that is where the program is going to look for those files by default. Okay? Reach this page. What's that doing here? Let's come back to that. Let's come back to that. And of course, these things, one of the things about the new 2 terabyte drive is it's a much faster drive, so the system's booting up a lot faster now. I also took a second option I had with the Geek Squad. I said, completely reformat the drive to single partition and install Windows 10. I paid for a year's worth of the tech support service. Okay. Okay, so why is Grammarly going there for? So did Office install? Okay, this is Office Online. Or do we need to come back over here? Well, there it is. Okay. Okay, I shouldn't need this now, so let's come over here. You know, the simple fact of the matter is, Microsoft Office is the best. Yeah, LibreOffice is nice, and Google Office is nice, but you know what? That's still not as good as Microsoft Office. I'm sorry. I don't think we need that. Do we? Did it install Microsoft Office? Here we go. Okay, good. So now we're installing Microsoft Office. If this works right, we'll start off on a good note by completing our first task. Then we're going to move on to R Tools 4.2. If you're new to R and you're using R on a Windows system, you have to install R Tools 4.2. Okay, you have because those are the tools that's used to build packages from source. It also has all the wonderful Unix and Linux text processing tools in there also, you know, like LS and grep and awk and all that fun stuff like that, and sed and stuff like that. It's all part of R Tools 4.2, but it's mainly used because it includes both a Fortran compiler and a C++ compiler. Okay. Now, I mean, well, wait a second. Let's tell you a few hard drive stories. Okay, I had a friend who said the first hard drive he purchased was a 5 megabyte hard drive. 5 megabyte. And he says, man, I'm never going to use all this space. The other thing, the kicker was, he paid some outrageous price for this 5 megabyte hard drive, a couple $100. And then back in the day, the rule of thumb was $10 a megabyte. So a 200 megabyte drive cost you $200, right? Was it $1 a megabyte? Yeah, $1 a megabyte. Okay. All right. And now I got a 2 terabyte drive, a faster drive than the one that's installed originally. 2 terabytes for $150. Okay. Now I also had an order me 32 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna go for 16. You got a new 2 terabyte hard drive, going from 16 to 32 gigabytes of RAM, which should help with R and Python, right? Because R and Python all work in memory. So I'm going to put more programs and more memory into my system. Okay. And just a few notes here while we're going by. You notice I say Microsoft is Engine 2016. Note it has to be 2016. You have, if you want to import Excel files directly into SQL Server, you have to install Microsoft Engine 2016. And it doesn't make any difference if you have. It doesn't make any difference even if you have Access installed. Access 365, you still have to install it. Microsoft Access Engine 2016 in order to import Excel files directly into SQL Server 2019. You know what? Depending on how much time we got here, I may even. I've got Postgres up there. We've got DuckDB. I got DuckDB up there. That's good. The main thing, Python, VS Code, the appropriate, should we go for 310? Should we go for 310? That's the question. Last time I was having a problem with 310, getting the packages to update and install on it. But what the heck? Let's just see what happens. Let's just do a 310 install and see what happens, okay? Install the usual suspects, you know, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and stuff like that, okay? Of course, inside of VS Code, we're going to install the interpreter. We're going to install the probably the code highlight engine, and we're going to install the Jupyter Notebooks plugin that allows us to create Jupyter. And you know what else? We may even install the Quattro package also. Okay, but you can see what's going on here. As you can see, it's taken a while to get this stuff downloaded. So Office 365 is running. Now we're going to do our tools and friends. You know, the package is still, of course, Tidyverse, Lubridate, Scales, the SQL package, the Microsoft, the Microsoft SQL Server package. I think that's there. The DuckDB package, libraries, and so forth. DuckDB is basically we're going to install a DuckDB command line tool, Postgres, pgadmin, Notepad++. And what is there? Are we forgetting something here? Yeah, let's put VMware in here. And a Linux distro with I could spell. Okay. Let's call this, I don't know. As you can see, this is actually taking a lot more time than I thought it would, to be perfectly honest. Do we want to try to download stuff on top of this, maybe? What's next? Sure, why not? Let's just see what happens. You can see I've already got Firefox and Google Chrome installed. So let's go and start the our language download. 4.3 for Windows. The latest and greatest version as always. Always keep your R systems, your Python systems up to date. But the problem you have today may have been fixed with yesterday. Yeah, so this could actually take quite a bit of time. A bit of time. Yeah, this could take a while. As you can see, we're probably going to wind up installing other stuff before we even get there. And of course, we're going to go back and, oh no, reload. Now, you need to install R tools and R before you install R Studio. You need to install on Windows. You need to install R2 before you start trying to install packages. Okay. 7 minutes. Then we'll go do the R tools install. We install that first, then we'll install. Again, I want to emphasize the importance of don't change the default path. Okay. Don't. Now we also have to probably go and make some adjustments to the environment variables also. Okay. So are you able to see me okay? Can you read the screen there? So you can see this has 17 minutes left. Yeah, so let me know. Let me know if you're hearing the sound okay and if you can read the screen, all right? But at some point now we should be ready to rock and roll tomorrow afternoon. Okay? Of course, this is Shabbat evening, but because it's daylight savings time, the tradition, I guess, now is when you can see the first 2 stars in the evening, that's when Shabbat starts. Now, why do you don't just say, hey, it started at 9 p.m. local time and end at 9 p.m. local time? To me, that'd be much sense. See, here's the thing about Shabbat. God says keep it holy. You do no work on the Shabbat. But he doesn't say when it begins and ends. Okay? So before the time of sundials and clocks, it's 2 stars in the evening, whatever. It would be a reasonable measure. Mm-hmm. Oh no, the R tools is 3 gigabytes. Oh wait, I got 1.75 terabytes. Never mind. Oh, now we're back up to 11 seconds. Not quite sure how the session. You know what? They may have fixed. Is the problem I had with the monitor on the screen on the laptop that kept blanking out stuff. So, hey, what they did, of course, they went back, they put the new drive in and installed a new version of Windows 10. And so now, and then they upgraded all the drivers and stuff. So the problem could have been I had to correct the drivers. I guess that's okay. I'm still happy with this 24-inch monitor I got here. It's well worth the price. It's under $300. It's like $250 or something like that, I think. Did I mention the total cost? Not including the yearly service plan. Okay. Well, the total including the service plan for 1 year is and the drive with 32 gigs of RAM was about $500. Now, the service plan is already paying for itself because it paid for the installation on the drive here, and they're taking, as I said before, they're taking a second slightly older laptop I have, they're reformatting the drive, and they're installing Windows 10 on that also. So so slowly it'll pay for itself. You know what? We could be here for a while with some of these installs. Okay, we'll be done in just a moment. Okay, good. And of course, the latest, greatest version of ours, 4.3.2. Again, keep your systems up to date. Very important. Very important. And also, if you are in the background, you come to the chat session and join in the fun of this install fest, okay? And we can talk about lots of data analytics stuff and stuff like that. So anyway, that's that one data analytics product I have. That was that is the New York City taxi ride data, okay? Now, a couple of things I actually have, tools I use that's very helpful. One is Get Pocket, which is a link storage thing. So all my links to my data stuff and to my things like the taxi data is all on there, okay? And what is because they backed up the entire home directory structure, the whole home directory structure. He also backed up my DuckDB New York taxis file, which is 51 megabytes. Let's go over here to GitHub while we're sitting here. Let's sign into GitHub. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, hang on a second here, folks. I got to do something here. Oh, good. So now we're logged into GitHub, and of course this has all my repos in it. So this right here is a good enough reason, okay, to use GitHub, because all my repository, all the key ones are all backed up to here, and I can come over here if I wanted to, and just do a clone. All right. Let's try this. Let's see. Well, look at this. Okay. Let's come back over here now. Let's download the R2 installer. Oh, great. Oh, man. That's a relief, isn't it? Let's check over here, make sure we do have it. Yeah, there we go. Excellent. Holy smoke, look how much faster Excel loads. So most of my speed, good grief. That's unbelievable. Okay, so let's come over here, first of all. Let's install install R423. And you can see it's installed under right there, under program files. 64-bit files, absolutely. No. Don't need a desktop shortcut. Save version number registry. We shouldn't need this anymore. We shouldn't need this. First of all, we got to go to our studio. Of course, it's not actually our desktop anymore. It is of course, posted. Wait a second. What do you mean 1 hour left installing R42? That's downloaded. Our studios. Downloaded. So all we got left to do here now is now, by default, at least used to be that our studio looked for R tools under C:\R tools for 2. Okay. Now we'll install 424, then we go in and begin installing our packages, okay? I have to install a Git package. There we go. Sorry about that. Again, if you're in the background watching, thanks for stopping by. Any questions, stop by the chat session, say hi, introduce yourself, okay? I'm going to be here for quite a bit of time tonight. Okay, let's go install GitHub Studio. Or GitHub Desktop. Let's just hold off on that. Close that one. Good. 1 moment left. Then we can move on with our installation. Yeah, I think I'm going to live on the cutting edge here and download the latest stable version of Python. Okay, now here's the thing that could be kind of interesting. That's interesting. I wonder where to put. The thing that's kind of interesting is So we finished here with this. So we'll install our tools, then we'll install our studio, then we'll try to install Tidyverse and a few other things. As the old saying goes, we're cooking with gas now. Okay, hunky dory. Let's go and download this while we're sitting here. Okay, now the fun begins. Let's come back over to downloads. So we got our studio here. Where's our tools? Our tools 4.2. See, do not change this, because this is where our studio looks for. While we're here, let's just go ahead and go to Python. Shall we? 3.11. Now, the fact that it did issued 1 and 2 is a warning to us. Okay? I actually, before this system was built, I rolled back from 3.11 to 3.8.1. So I was having trouble with the packages. But at this point, these should, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if I try to install something like Pandas or NumPy, what's going to happen, okay? What else can we begin to download here? Oh, let's just go to DuckDB. Do something a little easier. Install. So we can come over here. Not yet, because we've got to install stuff with Python and for. Let's do a couple easy things first. Let's equal this. It's just install. Okay, so let's come over here now, install RStudio from posted. So all Python installed, so we can get rid of this, like this. Let's come over here. Now the trouble is, at some point we're going to come back here and change some a few things. Let's see. So Notepad plus. It's not actually installed yet, is it? Okay. Let's come over here down to downloads again. Get rid of that. Python. No. Let's do this. Let's install this as administrator. We may have to come in and add a bunch of past statements also, because my guess is if it's installed into my user directory, I probably wouldn't need to change the past statements, but that's okay. Okay, so RStudio should be installed now. All right. Let's see if it's going to recognize everything here. So you see we got the latest version here. Let's come over. Where do we want to create the tools, global options? Let's see, session default directory. I don't know. Let's do it here. All right. So our studio has been installed. We install VS Code. Success closed. Let's install VS Code now. Python's been installed. Yeah, I'll send my soul to Microsoft. That's about all right. Now, see, I personally think the stuff should be. There we go. I don't know. That's just, you know what let's do? That's just, you know, okay, yes, I know I said let's do the default install, but I don't feel like going through all this right now. So just come over here. You know, it could be the advantage of not using, of installing locally. It could be that maybe you don't need to change the path. I don't know. Okay, so that ran. Our studio, let's do packages. Let's see if this thing is, let's do all pack up to date. Let's start here. Let's see. What are the essential ones? Lubricate, janitor. Get GPT. What are we forgetting here? I know we have to be. Let's start here. So let's come over here. We're working on that now. And Office 365 installed. Hey, again, folks, if you are in the background, you stop by and then you can share them. Stop by the chat session, and share my pain. I'm going through it, and I'm trying to reinstall all this stuff. Well, we need to add DuckDB. Okay, good. What else do we need here? What are we overlooking? Let's go back over here. Downloads. Where is the SQL Server Management Studio? Let's just check over here, make sure nothing's going on. So far, so good. So we're working on this. So what do we have? Downloads. Yeah, I know I said default install, then I changed the default install. So sue me, huh? So far, so good. Again, if you're going to try to import Excel files directly into the SQL Server, you have to install Microsoft Access 2016 engine, okay? It doesn't make any difference. It has nothing to do with Microsoft Office 365 Access. You have to install this engine. Let's see how we're doing over here. Any errors? What's this? Yeah, what the heck? I sold my soul to Microsoft many years ago, so it doesn't make it. Oh, hey, how you doing, friend? I'm doing well. What's going on here is I went out and upgraded my laptop to a 2 terabyte hard drive, about $150 for the 2 terabyte hard drive. So of course now they had Windows 10 reinstalled. The good news is we did take all the directories underneath my user directory and then moved those over to the new hard drive. So all my files and stuff are, all my database files, all my stuff is there, but I have to go back and reinstall all my apps. So right now I'm reinstalling all my apps. I'm in the process of installing a bunch. I got R installed, I got R Studio installed, R42 installed, and now I'm in the process of installing a bunch of apps, a bunch of packages for R, okay? And I'm also installing SQL Server 2022, as well as SQL Server Manager Studio. And as I said a minute ago, if you want to use SQL Server and you want to import Excel files directly into the SQL Server 2022 or 2016, okay, then you have to download and install the Microsoft Access 2016 engine. You have to. Okay. Otherwise, you drive yourself crazy trying to install it. Okay. You see, I'm still trying to install all my packages on for our studio. I also installed Python and VS Code. Okay. You can see here I'm installing SQL Server 2022. Yeah, I mean, drives are, not really drives, but solid state drives are so cheap. It's ridiculous. It's pointless. There really isn't a point of getting anything less than a 2 terabyte drive, but 150 US bucks. Okay. And I'm also had them order 32 gigs of RAM for my laptop. Okay. And I got the 1 year service plan, so I took my second laptop, which is a little older. I said, hey, take this laptop here, reformat the hard drive. I'd install Windows 10 on that one also. Okay, so it's covered. But anyway, so here's sort of my install list right here. Okay. What do we got left here? So I need to install the libraries. I need to install some Python packages. Let's see what else we got here. VMware. I think. And at some point I'm going to download it. I got all this space. Hey, just take a look at this space. Just take a look at this space. Okay. 1.6 terabytes of data. Okay. So far I've used 430 megabytes. So I think I got space to spare. Okay. DuckDBR. What's DuckDBR? What about DuckDB? I don't know what that is. So let's install this. What else? What else do we want to install? Man. Plotly. Got SQLi installed. Got MS SQL installed. Let's just leave it right there for right now. That's a start. So far, all the packages installed without any problems. Yeah, one thing about this new drive, it's blazing fast. I mean, it takes like 10 or 15 seconds for my system to boot up now. I mean, and it's like Excel used to take a good 30 seconds to start. Man, it starts in a heartbeat now. So it's worth paying the price to get a larger and fast, not only a larger hard drive, but much faster. It makes all the difference in your system performance. Basically, what causes this upgrade was last night I was trying to index. Interesting. Install SQL Server Management Studio. I actually have SQL Server Management Studio already installed. Let's go over here. Downloads. Let's go install the Access engine. And again, you need this access if you want to import Excel files directly into the SQL Server Manager Studio. You have to install the Microsoft Access 2016 engine, redistributable engine. Okay, you have to have it. Yeah, so this is an install fest. SQL Manager Studio. That looks good. As a general rule, I always recommend using the default install path because that's where it's looking there for a reason. We got that installed. We got this installed. I think we got this installed also. Hang on. Never mind. This is actually the SQL Server Express version. And normally, when you use SQL Server Studio, you can if you're on Windows, you can actually connect using your Windows Windows username and password. You can use your Windows authentication. I'll be right back, man. We'll give me something else to drink. Okay. Where's VS Code? Let's get rid of most of this stuff here. Uninstall, yes, uninstall. Don't simply get rid of it, completely uninstall it. I'm not sure if this, I guess this does uninstall. Don't really need Office up there. Unpin that. Unpin that. Uninstall that. Okay. So let's try. Pin to start. Pin to start. Okay. What else do we want to start here? But here's the thing. Look at this nice clean documents file. Okay. Now, one of the things they do, the only thing they transfer over is basically your user directory, including all the subdirectories. Okay. So I got everything under the documents from the old system over to here now. It's all right here. Okay. And we're getting close here. What else we got going on here? We still need to install some Python packages. Let's connect now. Let's close this. And while we're here, let's just install Okay, I got all the space, and I might as well install full Linux distribution inside of my system, right? Okay. Management Studio. Now, I've been out this for about an hour and 15 minutes so far. Actually, quite productive. It's actually going very smoothly so far. I'll try again. There it goes. Then we'll go to Windows authentication. As you can see, there's no databases here, but there it is. Good. Let's check for Import Wizard. Import-Export Wizard. Good. Let's get rid of some stuff here then. Let's start up VS Code. We're here. There's nothing installed. Now, I haven't installed. I think we still have to install the. We still have to install some Python packages. We'll start out with the usual suspects: pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and probably Seaborn. Those are kind of the basics you need. Oh, and of course DuckDB and SQL Alchemy. How are we doing over here? That's still working. So what are you up to tonight, friend? Is PowerShell installed? Let's see if it'll recognize pip. Doesn't look like it, does it? No. Oh, and also DuckDB. Good. I don't know what this does. Let's just do this anyway. Let's say oh, so it is installed. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. How about SQL Server? DuckDB. So do we have Python yet? Open folder. Documents. Oh, let's open up a folder. Foresight. So it's recognizing the correct version. Let's open up terminal. Okay, so this is a bit of a problem. So that's okay. What else we got to do here? Okay, let's just go and download Postgres. What the heck? I got space. Postgres download. Postgres download. Windows. $15.2. What about Oh, and I need to install dbeaver. So let's go install Postgres. Let's install pgadmin 4 separately. This is the password for the database super user. Yes. Local. So we do have to go back and install and modify the environment variables. So we can run, say, pip from the command line. Close that. Let's just check our past statements here. Where did we install Python at? Python 3.1. Where's pip? Okay, good. So we need to come over here. Copy address. environment variables, environment variable, path, edit, new. Never quite sure which one I need. That's fine. I got the space. Download directory. Back over here also. Install PG admin. That's install for all users. What the heck? Yeah, I'll sell my soul to these folks. What else do we need to install? Still working on this. I'll go and check this off here. Oh, DB Beaver. Community download. We can use this for our DuckDB. So let's continue to install this. That's finished. Well, that's interesting. You can install from Microsoft window. Connecting to server. DB Beaver setup. Community edition. Now the beauty is because that DB is sort of like SQLite. It's a single file database. Okay. and it was backed up. I can go DB Beaver and just automatically. And I can automatically connect to the databases. Reset settings. No, don't do that. I don't think. How much more space do we still have? Oh no, we're down to 1.5 terabytes now. Let's try something here. What you have to do is you have to download. I think you have to download some JDBC drivers or something like that. Sure, why not? Actually, I already installed this once, didn't I? So it's like I'm actually reinstalling it a second time. Unintentionally, of course. Allow access. Now, what kind of databases do we have? DuckDB, SQLite, Postgres, SQL Server. What are we trying to do here? So while we're here, where are we at here? pgadmin should be installed. dbdiva should be installed. So let's see if this works now. Good. What this means is, of course, we can now okay, there must be a different version of VMware. Yeah, this is the This is the licensed version. There should be a free version out there somewhere. This is what we're looking for. Cancel that. Okay. So let's uninstall our first package. So the Postgres is stalled. Because I don't have a license. What about How about just plain old Ubuntu? Hmm? There it goes. Okay, let's come over here now. Download. I know some people don't like Ubuntu, but hey, what the heck? Okie dokie by me. I don't know what. You know, here's the thing. I think most distributions are based on Ubuntu. Most so-called distributions aren't really new distributions, okay? I don't think this one's going to work now with it. That was supposed to be installed. Uninstalled. So this continues to be interesting. That's sort of interesting. But still, there's still kind of crazy thing going on with the. So maybe it's one situation where the download is free, but the program isn't. This is going to take a few moments to get going here. This is free. We want to install SQL Alchemy also. And you can see our Ubuntu has taken its dear old time about downloading for us in it. Again, if there's anybody in the background here, stop by the chat session and say hi. You can come in the chat session. You can share my pain of trying to reinstall my software onto my new 2 terabyte hard drive. It's not, the new terabyte solid state, I would guess is what it really is. So somewhere over here. Which one is free? The all products. This one here still requires a license, doesn't it? Where are we now? Let's say 75. Two hours. Is there anything else that needs to be installed? Well, we can go over and log into a couple things over here. Let's Roy logged into YouTube. This is sort of interesting. So we got YouTube and Facebook installed. Okay. What about Twitch? Let's go up the
San Diego. It's a gaming convention in downtown San Diego.
Alrighty now. Tell you what. I'm going to bring this session to a close. We actually get almost. We're really in a position where all the tools we need to move forward are installed. The only thing really left to do is try to get VMware to work. All right. But anyway. Hey, thanks so much for your time, folks. Click the bell icon. I probably won't be streaming until Sunday afternoon. My regular streaming schedule again is Monday through Thursday, 9 p.m. New York time. Again, click the bell icon if you never miss any new content, or you won't miss any time I upload the videos. Again, thanks so much for hanging out today. I hope you learned a little bit from my pains here as I went through and reinstalled all my software. Okay, thanks so much for your time, folks. We'll see you Sunday afternoon.